textbook. I was too young to remember those events from that September when the world shook, and the older generation passing down the nation screams at me. It's a shame you don't remember the past has shaped the future. It's a shame you don't remember what was felt. It's a shame that when those planes crashed in the towers up in smoke, you didn't see how we, a country, came together over broken hearts to start again. The mystery is in history that repeats itself. The younger ones never seem to learn how their mamas felt. An old man in a nursing home, abandoned by his family. They say he's going crazy, sees a war zone. A veteran of a nation, of people gone complacent, cries in his sleep. It's a shame they don't remember the past to shape their future. It's a shame they don't remember what was felt. It's a shame that when my bodies were flown home, they didn't see how we, a country, prayed together for a hope from God to start again. Yeah, the mystery is in history that repeats itself. The younger ones never seem to learn how their mamas felt. The mysteries we have all, we need to govern ourselves, but we give it away every time we say the past won't help. We deserve life, liberty, our basic human needs. Our rights are protected, but we reject them so easily. A declaration and a constitution, they were written by our fathers, but now no one even bothers their corruption. If the founders of our nation saw our situation, they would be ashamed we don't remember the past that shaped our future, and ashamed we don't remember what they felt and dealt with. Ashamed that after wars fought over freedom for our sakes, we still won't see how they, the people, dreamed together they could make a nation that was free. And a mystery